The benefits for me when I'm using LP360 to process the data are it's very easy to work around the software. It's very obvious whenever you have outlier points that aren't ground data with the way that you can display some of the data. And the cleanup is about as elementary as you can get with the classification software. So some tips and tricks that I like to use, the two main ones in manual classification are classifying manually with a paintbrush and classifying manually with your profile view. I'll go over in LP360 how easy it is to classify with this paintbrush. As you can see, sometimes even after your algorithm classifications and the macros that LP360 offers you, you may have some points that you just need to get rid of. This one point in particular, I can tell by the elevation tint that it is not a good point. So I go up and I simply select my paintbrush tool, and then I want it to go into a layer class that I'm not going to be using. So I won't be using a class of building. So I've selected the destination class to be building. I simply go and I click over that little set of points and hit spacebar. And as you can tell, that point just goes away. The other way that we can do it is using a profile view to clean up some area. So I'm simply going to create a profile across this area, and you can even go as wide as your points allow you to. You can obviously see that that is some sort of excavator, and I want my destination, so we're done with this. I'm gonna bring this on out. I want my destination to be, we're gonna use building again, and I want to classify all points above this line. So I simply go on here and I see that profile view, and you can see that it's showing you which points that you are classifying, and I hit spacebar, that is gone, and then we go back to the view, and in that profile window you see that that piece of equipment is gone. Pretty much your only manual classification, every bit of it can be done either using the profile view or the paintbrush. The TrueView 515 in conjunction with the LP360, our customers are extremely happy with the results. The small detail of, you know, a side creek that you may not see with a traditional survey, or even, I mean, we've even seen dozer tracks because the density of the data is so dense. It is able to provide you with a surface that is just unmatched, and we have clients that rave about our deliverables.